Here we are with the all-new Airtel 5G.
Hey guys, I've been waiting for this for a while and finally it happened. Airtel just launched the 5G. So first thing this morning, I made my way to the Airtel store, went in the reception, and I told the receptionist I wanted to get the new card. But guess what? I thought about one lucky person in the comment section of this post, and instead of one, I got two. Went on to make my way out of the store, and
here we are with the all-new Airtel 5G. Opening the box, we've got the 5G router, a charging pack, a 3-pin wall socket you connect to the power pack, an Ethernet cable, device manual, and it also comes with your SIM certificate with your SIM card in your 5G router. So let's put this to test. At first, I tried it indoors and it was fluctuating, but I was able to get a download speed of about 130 Mbps. So I decided to take it to the veranda and boom, I got up to 340 megabytes per second download speed on fast.com. But on speed test, it significantly dropped to 162 Mbps. Now to the owner of the new cart. All you have to do is tell me in the comment section how beneficial the Airtel 5G would be to you. And the comments with the highest likes and replies over the next 5 days will have this delivered to their doorstep. Let me know if you've got any questions and I'll definitely give answers if I have them. But if I don't, that will be over to Airtel Nigeria. Don't forget to tell your friends to like your comment so you can win this all-new Airtel 5G.